Today is Monday and Monday is our family day. Kasi diba normally Sunday. But since nagtatrabaho kami parehas ng Sunday, so Monday ang aming family day. And we decided to go to this dog park kasi I've already mentioned before sa mga previous vlogs ko na hindi kami pwede or hindi allowed dito magdala ng dog sa mga pets sa park, sa public park. So, we found out this dog park na malapit dito sa amin. And then, isa sa mga neighbors namin dito, pupunta sila doon regularly. And then, sabi nila na okay nga daw yun. So, since ang aming baby ay hindi pa talaga nakakalakwatsa dito sa Bangkok, as in, kaya dadali namin siya sa park. Hintayin lang namin yung service nung condo na to, papunta dun sa Emporium. And then from there, lalakarin na lang namin siya. Siguro mga 10 minutes walking lang siya. Lulu, are you excited? Hey, Lulu. We're here na guys, dito sa dog park na sinasabi ko earlier. But I forgot to mention na hindi lang siya park. Actually, yung park is isa lang sa mga part ng, ano ba tawag dito, ng lugar. But actually, it is a restaurant na pet-friendly. So, yung name ng place is Hungry Pack. Ayun yung restaurant. And then, may iba't iba silang part ng lugar. So, dito, this part, makikita nyo sa likod, may grooming sila. May nagugupit sa mga aso there, mga nagsashampoo and everything. Itong part na nasa likod ko is yung pet shop nila. So, dito rin yung reception area and then that's where I went as well to pay. Nagbayad kami ng 150 baht para dun sa entrance. I think they're open 9 to 7. I'm not sure, but yeah, 150 for the whole day na yon, and then 100 pesos, 100 baht for deposit. So, once na nagbayad na kayo, may bibigay sa inyong card. This one, iscan nyo lang siya. Dito, ito yung entrance niya. Sugar and Pepe are already inside. Dito mo, iscan yung card na binigay nila sa'yo, which is this one. But I think it's already open, so I don't really need it. Well, hindi pa. Ayan, scan mo lang. And then, it's open. May pool din sila para sa mga pets. Meron pa sila pa ganyan. Parang jacuzzi yung style. Let's go here. So, sa tapat ng pool, meron silang gym for dogs. Babe, they have gym. So, ito yung gym nila. I didn't know that they do have gym as well. Hello! May mga dogs din sa loob. I don't know what they're doing inside here, but it says gym, so probably they're just playing inside. Ah, okay. Yung nandun sa may, harap, I think yun yung parang reception ng gym, pero dito talaga sila nag-exercise. Parang treadmill. Pepe, they have treadmill inside. Ewan ko lang to isa. Here is, I don't know, what is this? Ah, toilet. And then, here is the hotel. Ay, yung mga naka-check-in. Char. Yan. Isa sa mga naka-check-in. Ayun si Sugar sa loob. Lolo! Sugar! I'm here! Hello, baby boy! Hello! Do you wanna go to the gym, Lolo? If you don't want to be inside dito sa loob ng park kung saan yung mga aso nagtatakbuhan, pwede kayo magstay dyan. Meron silang chiller doon. May mga coke, beers and stuff. I think that one is the restaurant. Is the part of the restaurant. Kasi I think yung nasa harap yung yung pinaka main dining, and ito yung part ng malapit sa park. Babe. Sugar! Hey! Lulu!
He doesn't go.
No one is barking at you! Hello! Hello, you there? Hello, why are you so small?
2.5 years. This one is almost 11 months.
Really? Little baby, that's why he's so good though. Eh?
When he saw Chuka, he just wanna come in here.
Because you have the same face.
Yeah, same face.
Hello.
Everybody.
Lolo! Oh, look at him. He's so strong.
That was a lot.
I think it's not a good idea to sit on the... Sugar! Oh, this one is bigger. Lulu, malaki yan. Sugar, mas malaki yan sa'yo. Hello, hello, hello. Are you enjoying there?
No.
Do you want to play as well?
We'll play later.
Ah, someone is tired. Are you tired, Lulu? Hey, you tired? You want coffee? Uy. Sugar. Sugar, you want coffee? What time is it, babe? 6? Almost 6 p.m. Kami na lang yung natira dito, si Sugar and then yung isa pang aso. Pero kanina sobrang dami nila. Yung si Sugar, sobrang pagod. Yun yung isa nandoon. Kaya lang, hindi sila magkasundo. Ay, ito pa pala! Itong malaking aso na to nasa likod namin. It was a nice day for Sugar, right? It was actually the first time na walang tumatahol kay Sugar. sa condo na pinagsistayan namin, saan kami nakatira. Pet-friendly naman siya. Ang hindi lang pet-friendly yung mga pet owners. But, yeah. May mga aso din naman doon. Kaya lang, every time na nakikita nila si Sugar, lagi nilang tinatahulan si Sugar. Yes, Lulu? You're friends with everyone. Lulu? Time to go home, Sugar. Did you have fun, my love? Say bye to your new friend. Tell him you'll see him soon. Lulu. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Are you saying bye to your friend, Lulu? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Uwi na kami. Dahil pagod na si Sugar. And wala na rin siyang kalaro dun sa park. Maglalakad kami papuntang Sukhumvit Road. Doon kami kukuha ng kukuha talaga. Doon kami mag-aabang ng tuk-tuk kung meron man. I hope na meron kasi sobrang pagod na si Sugar. Oh, hinahanap ko sila sa likod ko. Nandun pala sa may kabila na. Iniwan na ako. Babe, why are you guys there? Iniwan na nila ako. Salita daw kasi ako ng salita mag-isa. Napagkakamala na daw akong baliw. Tuk-tuk na kami guys. Dito na si Sugar. Medyo ginapin na kami kasi before kami naghanap ng tuk-tuk, nag-grocery muna kami for dinner kasi wala kami kahit ano sa bahay. So now it's, I think it's almost 7 p.m. Almost 7. Lulu! Enjoy na enjoy si Sugar, oh. Chas! Binibigyan ako ng ilaw ni Kuya. Yan. May pa-lighting si Kuya.
Yeah.
I look fresh, babe.
Yeah, yeah.